APLD stock analysis. This is for 16th of April and onward. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Having said that, Applied Digital stocks just absolutely got cooked. That's exactly what I said in the previous video of mine that I did, and here's the proof of that. But actually, let me come here. Why do I have so many receipts in the Discord about APLD? And not only did this deliver like 22 hours ago, that's 600 views. So that's that. In particular, after this, I'm not saying it's going down forever. Right now, obviously, it's a bearish season and whatnot. But only if I start seeing double breaks or any sort of thing like that above 571 is when I'll then begin to look and take things up. Other than that, it's a whole different place. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.